How to remove chart indicator on TradingView.com. First off, let me just say that I will do this tutorial on my Windows desktop, but you can always do so on your other OSs or any OSs that you have.
As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel.
That isn't Internet Explorer. First off, just go to the TradingView.com chart, and now as you can see, I have a few indicators that I have right now. For example, I have fair value gap basement BTC. I have a stochastic RSI and a KVO gradient, and if I want to close or remove the indicators, I can do so one by one. For example, like so. Go to the top left of the indicators and then choose this symbol, this cross icon with a remove tooltip in there. You can do so one by one, or you can also do so via right clicking anywhere on the chart and then just choose remove indicators here. Click it and all of your indicators should be gone and removed. We have another tutorial for how you add indicators to your TradingView.com chart. I will add the link down below. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you wanted us simply how to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below.